Here I'm getting ready to cut the studs for the north wall. I want that wall to be 7 foot tall, and I need a lot of studs cut to length. I laid out the studs on the floor here just because I know that's fairly flat. I had to clamp the bottom plate, as you can see here, because it overhung a little bit, but it all seemed to work in the end. And yes, I'm using screws again. I had to cut some of the siding here, but I wanted to leave it a little long so I could attach it to the foundation. You can see that here. Once I had the north wall done, I could work on this wall, and I wanted to build it in place. I used some screws here as a sort of a jig to have the siding sit on when I installed it. I am cutting what's called Z-flashing. This gets put on to prevent the water from coming down on the top siding and depositing on the bottom siding. The walls are all done. The next step is roofing. I'll need some help for that. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the support.